Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Amory from Supreme Guru Tech and I am back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign a document on your MacBook using your signature. So if this is something that you're interested in, then stay tuned to this video. So first and foremost, I hope that you're not hearing that background noise of someone mowing the lawn, but if it's there, I apologize, I can't stop that. So what you need obviously first and foremost is a PDF that you need to sign. So what we're going to do, obviously I've got one here that I prepared earlier, but we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you how to sign a document. So to open it up, obviously just double click into it. And what will happen is it will open up in what's called the preview screen. Now, if I was to minimize this screen, you can see that some of the icons along the top have disappeared. The easiest way to get those back is just by clicking on the two arrows here and you can see that brings them back. So what we're going to do is just open that up a little bigger. And as you can see, down here we've got a few different things that we need to do to this particular document. So you've got an option here to print your name and obviously put in the date. So we're going to do that first, and then once we do that, obviously then show you how to do the signature, put in our name. So we're going to hit this little markup tool here, tap on that and we get a few options. So to do a normal text without just signing anything, we're going to tap on this box that says text, and I'm just going to tap in here and put in my name. So once you've got your name, you can adjust a few things. You can adjust the font style and the size of it and so on, just the normal editing tools that you would have to edit some text. So to edit the text, you can see here this AA button. Tap on it and we can increase the size of that text. We can obviously then change the font and we can obviously do all the normal sort of stuff that you can do with editing text. So if I needed to move this down to where it says my name, I just click off of the text itself and then start to drag it down. So now I can put my name in there, and then the next thing that we want to do is put in the date. So we're going to do another text box and I'm just going to put in today's date, which is the 14th of April 2021. And again, we're just going to tap off of it and then tap on it again to drag it in to where it says the date. So now here comes the part where you can sign this document. So what you want to do is tap on this button here where it says sign. So I'm going to tap on that and you can see that brings up two different options for me. Now you might have more options just depending on if you have your iPad connected to it or maybe your iPhone also connected to it. But just for this tutorial purpose, I'm going to show you how to do it these two different ways as you see on the screen here. So for the trackpad, obviously you've got your trackpad on your Mac. It says click here to begin, so I'm just going to click that and then I'm going to attempt to put in my signature. So it says press any key when finished. I'm just going to press the space bar here. And what we want to do is hit the done button once you're happy enough with the signature that you have. So you can see that has created a signature. So all I have to do is click on this and that puts it onto the screen. Then I can put that, let me just put that maybe in here. And then that's my signature added to it. Now that's one way of doing it. And I'm just going to show you the next way of doing it. So what we're going to do is tap on this again and I'm going to delete this signature and go to where it says camera. And so obviously you can see we've got the camera in front of us here. Now what I'm going to do is grab a blank piece of paper. I'm going to grab a pen also and just do this in the sort of the biggest sort of writing I can do, just so it grabs a decent capture of my signature. So I'm just going to pop in SGT, and as you can see, before I even put this in, that's what I've got here. I'm just going to hold this up to the camera, and once it gets a good recognition of it, hit the done button, and as you can see, then that has given me that signature. So again, if I want to pop that into my document here, I can just do that, and you can see, because I've used quite a thick marker style thing here, you can see the difference in how much bolder it is in comparison to the original one that we've done on the trackpad. So guys, that is how you sign a PDF document electronically on your Mac. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, you have been watching and listening to Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech.